Welcome to the future. Space, the final frontier. Television in the 1970s boldly went where no TV had gone before. It transported us to a world of ray guns, robots, spaceships and cyborgs. The 1970s saw great technological advancements. Home computers hit the market. Join us as we dive into 1970s action sci-fi TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more TV history deep dives. Star Trek. Even after the Enterprise went off the air, the adventures continued in animated form. Remember the transporter? It could beam you up or down in seconds. Designed for a younger audience, it tackled complex themes through technology. It sparked imaginations and reminded us that the future, even in cartoons, was full of possibilities. From the depths of space to, well, even deeper space. Space 1999 took us on a wild ride aboard Moonbase Alpha, a lunar station blasted out of Earth's orbit. The Eagle transporter, a sleek and versatile spacecraft, became iconic. Stranded in space, the crew relied on their ingenuity and high-tech gadgets to survive alien encounters. It explored the challenges and ethical dilemmas humanity might face in a tech-dominated future. We can rebuild him. We have the technology. With bionic legs, an arm and an eye, Austin could run faster, jump higher, and see farther than any normal human. The $6 Million Man wasn't just about the action. It was about the moral implications of using technology to enhance ourselves. And why should men have all the fun? The bionic woman, Jamie Summers, proved that women could be just as powerful and resourceful as their male counterparts. Jamie's bionic implants gave her abilities similar to Steve Austin's, but the show explored different aspects of this technology. It delved into the emotional and psychological impact of being different and the ethical dilemmas of using these powers. Logan's Run. A world where you could have it all, but only until you turned 30. This series explored the dark side of technological advancement, where a supercomputer controlled every aspect of society. It made us question our own relationship with technology and whether we were headed down a similar path. Battlestar Galactica. A story of survival against all odds. This series took us on a desperate search for a new home amongst the stars. The Cylons, a relentless race of robots, had all but wiped out humanity, leaving a ragtag fleet of survivors to carry the torch of civilization. It was a classic tale of good versus evil, with the fate of humanity hanging in the balance. Now, invisibility. The show followed the adventures of Daniel Westin, a scientist who develops a way to turn himself invisible. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and Westin soon finds himself using his unique abilities to fight crime and injustice. It was a reminder that technology, even in its most fantastical forms, could be used for good or evil. What would you do after the world ends? Arc 2, though short-lived, presented a hopeful vision of a post-apocalyptic future. After a global disaster, a team of scientists and adventurers traveled in a high-tech, self-sufficient vehicle called Arc 2, seeking to rebuild society and share their knowledge with the survivors. It was a show that promoted environmentalism, pacifism, and the importance of knowledge. The Arc 2 itself was a marvel of futuristic technology, a self-contained world on wheels. It wasn't just a movie, you know. The TV series expanded on the themes of the film franchise, further exploring the complex relationship between humans and technology. It forced us to confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves and the potential consequences of our actions. Can you imagine a robot partner? Future Cop explored the concept of artificial intelligence and its role in law enforcement. It gave us Officer Haven, a lifelike android partnered with a seasoned detective. The show explored the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI, asking questions about sentience, prejudice, and the nature of partnership. From the starships of Star Trek to the bionic limbs of the $6 Million Man, these shows weren't just about entertainment. They reflected our hopes and fears about the future, the possibilities and pitfalls of technology. They made us dream. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more insights. See you next time.